Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back. If you're coming back, if you're a return viewer, thank you for returning. And let me show you what I have today. I have some things here to show you from FGNORMAL. One of the companies I've been working with probably for the longest is FGNORMAL, and I always find wonderful things there. So thank you FGNORMAL for letting me pick out some things to show you guys. I will link all of the items below so that you can find them if you are interested in them. And please check them out and send them a little love. I'm recording this a couple weeks before Smashing the Specials, and I have some good things here to show you that could definitely be used for Smashing the Specials. I love my special drill paintings and projects, as you well know. So let's get into it and let's show you what I found. I like to find things that are different, unique, and I have some of those here, but we're gonna hold off on those for just a minute. Let's show you a couple of beautiful paintings first of all. Each of their projects, kits, paintings comes with a little toolkit like that. Our drills are packaged like this. And there's tons and tons of 30 by 30s. 30 by 30 seems to be like one of the most popular sizes for the special drills. There are some 30 by 40s. They're a little, they're fewer and far between. And sometimes you find some like big ones. But anyhow, 30 by 30. I have a love of these, okay? So look at this pretty, pretty horse. It's just a beautiful horse with flowers all around it and on it. We got birds, birds, more birds. It's really pretty. All of these petals are going to be special drill, as well as some of these. Here and here, we're going to have some flower centers, which are special drills. My guess is there's probably 4 different special drills. I see A, B, and C. I don't see D, but there is a D. Oh, the D is on the bridle. Oh, on the bridle and the reins. Nice. I like it. Isn't it cute? All right, let's look at our drills and see what we have. I'm still looking for a project that comes with some orange marquees. I need one orange marquee. I have a butterfly in a stand. It needs one orange marquee that fell off somewhere. Do you think I can find one? Not yet. Hopefully it'll turn up. One will turn up during Smashing the Specials. All right, rhinestones. Clear, kind of like a champagne, and then a gray. And this is like a really light tan color, a pink, an orange, a green, and a blue. All right, yellow faceted marquees, not orange. Blue marquee. These are orange and clear, all iridescent. These are iridescent, really pretty, picking up all the colors. Love it. All right, so that's what we get for the first one. Super cute. Love it. All right, let's show you another one. Here we go. This one's really pretty. The lotus flower, right? This big lotus flower in the center, and this one has butterflies splitting around. This one has 10 different drills. Looks like 3 are special drills. We have A, we have B, and we have some C's in the petals. That'll be really pretty. Really, really pretty. Wow. Let's look at the drills and see what we get. I bet they're going to be blue. And it looks like some pink. Let's get into them. Oh, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful cobalt blue. Love it. Clear and icy blue. There's that pink. Oh, then some teal colors. Love that. That's pretty. And a little bit of gold. These, oh my goodness. Every once in a while, you come upon something that you're just like, oh, wow. Those are like rainbowy faceted rounds. Those are gorgeous. I'm going to do this one for Smashing the Specials just because of those. That's gorgeous. Those are so pretty. They're blue and purple, and I see greens and pinks. Wow. I hope it's coming through on the camera. They're gorgeous. Then we have some clear, and then we have blue faceted, kind of like an aqua color. Those are stunning. You know, that's the fun of special drills. finding unique things. If it's a special drill you've never seen before, a special project you've never seen before, that's the fun. All right, this is not special drills, but I had to get it. Had to get it. Beware of cute dog, right? Isn't it adorable? Beware of cute dog. This is a full drill with a little dachshund. I saw this and I was just like, okay, I have to get that. It's got 24 different colors. Well, a legend on both sides. I like that. And the drills come pre-bagged. Love it. Greens, browns, a little bit of orangey colors. Love it. Super cute. I love that. Oh. You know, makes me want to have a puppy again. Sort of makes me want to have a puppy again. All right, let's get into the special things that I have. We have this little guy right here, and I'm interested to get into this. Sorry for all the crinkly, sticky packaging. Toolkit. Drills. Not very many. This is a quick little make, let me tell you what. Look at that. Cute. A dragonfly and some flowers. You can do this in like what? 20 minutes? 20 minutes. Give it 20. See if you can get it done. We should make that a challenge. What can I do in 20 minutes? Half an hour. All right, so this is plastic. A very hard plastic. Got a little clasp here. Opens up. Oh, yeah, I remember this. This is a pill container. Now, okay. I know. A pill container should have 7 containers, 7 little things, but it only has 6. But how do they open? How do they open? Let's see. Oh, just like that. All right. This one didn't want to come open. That's all. There we go. So you can put 6 days worth of pills in here. And if you don't take very many pills, you know, maybe you can squeeze an extra day in one of the little sections. But I thought, let's check it out. Let's see what it's all about, right? Like I said, I'm all about finding unique things. Wait till you see the next one. I was surprised by the next one. Oh, yeah. I have found all kinds of things. I love the outdoor flags. I have one of those on my pile to do in August because I want to do the outdoor flag for sure. Oh, this is separate. Blue and tealy color. Then we got some pink marquees and some more rhinestones. Like I said, this one, you can do this and, you know, the length of watching a video. All right, cute. Here's one that I am surprised. When I saw this, I was like, okay, all right, let's check this bad boy out. I can open it. If I can open it, we'll check it out. Here we go. Okay. This one comes with some interesting things because it's an interesting item. All right, so drills, toolkit, this little bag, that's heavy. Little bag of goodies there. All right, then we have this. I'm not sure what we do with this yet. Oh, I think it goes like this. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I need some guidance. Okay. I'm going to have to look back at the photo of this to see how, I think there's something missing. I feel there's something missing from this. Like it needed something go through there. Okay, so what this is, I'll tell you what it is. It's an incense burner. Maybe it's 2 incense burners. Oh, it's just, why did that go in there? So, oh, I guess it just sits in there. Okay, maybe they're 2 separate ones. How does this work? Okay, this is what I think we do. Okay, I thought it was 1 tall piece. Okay, this is what happens. I think it's 2. We have 2 different discs. Oh, sorry, I'm way close. We have this one, which is a hummingbird, and we have this one, which is a dragonfly. So I think after you finish diamond painting this, you put this in here. It will snap in here. I don't know if I want it. Okay, yep, it does. It snaps right in there. And then this is your burner where you stick your incense in there. So it has to be the stick kind, right? So you put your incense stick in there as you burn your incense. Okay, all right. Yeah, in my head, I thought it was one thing. Now, can I get this out of here? That's my question. I'll get in there with a knife or something later because it's in there. It's in there now. Anyhow, yeah, incense burners. I don't have an incense in my house, but I know that my kids like incense, you know. Anyhow, there's that. Let's look at its drills real quick. And there's 2 of them. And of course, they had different designs if you're not a fan of the hummingbird and the dragonfly. They had other things. All right, here is our drills. We have green and goldish yellow, purple, pretty blue, pink. Here's our special drills. Little cobalt blue marquees, pink marquees, and some orange faceted for the flower centers. Love it. All right, so interesting. Very, very interesting. So we got our cute little incense. Okay, and those are heavy. They stay in there very well. And then we have all these goodies here, right? So, what do you think? Let me zoom you out. Zoom you out. Give you a whole view of the whole thing. Take your pills with you. Take some incense to burn on the way. You know, we're all set to go. You know, they come up with so many different things that they can put drills on and make them pretty and sparkly. I love it. It's fun. That's all I got. It's fun. They'll be linked below. If any of these items interest you, let me know what you think. Be honest, you know, if you're like, well, I don't, you know, tell me the truth. Just let me know what you think. Anyhow, thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you join us for Smash in the Specials coming up in August with Brandy, Mystery of Diamonds, and looking forward to all of the fun things that you guys find, because you guys find fun stuff too. All right, I'll see everybody soon. Have a great week, and talk to you later. Bye.